You can print I. You can also print like this. Which one is more meaningful? Please compile and run this one. Int I is equal to 0, SOP of I. Printing I directly, you'll get a 0. So here, I is equal to 0. You are using a plus operator. This is called as a string concatenation. So at this point, string concatenation. What is the meaning of string concatenation? Just joining both operands. String concatenation, joining both operands. Joining both operands. Please observe. This is one operand. Left side, whatever you are supplying, that is one operand. Right side, whatever you are supplying, that is one operand. Treat this as an operator. Treat this as an operator. 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 Left side, whatever you are supplying, it is a left operand. Right side, whatever you are supplying, that is a right operand. Left operand and then right operand. Left operand and then right operand. Left operand, right operand. Between left and right, if any one is a string, string, then it will act as a string concatenation. String concatenation. What is a string concatenation? What is string concatenation? String concatenation is nothing but joining both operands without any modification. Without any modification, just joining both operands. In case of mathematical addition, 4 plus 5, we are not getting 45. If we get a 45, then that is called as a concatenation. 4 plus 5, you will be getting a 9. That is a mathematical operation. Mathematical operation, it won't join both the parameters, both the operands. Mathematical operation, you will be getting a result. You will be getting a result. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. That is a pure mathematical operation. Plus operator using for adding two numbers. Adding the two numbers. Plus operator using to add two numbers. To add two numbers. Plus operator. Now, same plus operator we are using for concatenation. What is meant by concatenation? Left operand, right operand, both are just joining. Left operand and right operand, both are joining. No processing. There will be no processing, only joining. If both are joining together, then that is called as a concatenation. Concatenation. Both are joining together, then that is called as a concatenation. Concatenation. Here, I is equal to, then 0. Both are joining. No operation here. No changes here. Just joining both. Whenever left operand, right operand, both are joining without any processing. Without any processing, if both are just joining, 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 then that is called as a concatenation. Concatenation. When concatenation will happen? When concatenation will happen? If any one operand is a string, either left operand or right operand or both. If left operand or right operand or both. If left operand or right operand or both. Left operand or right operand or both. If any one operand is a string, if any one operand, left side is a string or right side is a string or both are strings. If any one operand is a string, if any one operand is a string, on. If any one operand is a string, if any one operand is a string, either left side or right side, if any one operand is a string, then you'll be getting a string concatenation. String concatenation. String concatenation. String concatenation. String concatenation. If left operand is a string or right operand is a string or both are strings. If both are strings or left only string or right only string, then you'll be getting string concatenation. String concatenation. If left one only string or right one only string or both are strings. If you try to compile and run this, beginners are finding very difficulty on concatenation. Even though it's very simple, even though it is a very simple, one second, dec8. Come to the classes folder, try running. Through concatenation, we are providing a description. Through concatenation, we are providing a description. What you are trying to print. Remember, this is a string. If any one operand is a string, you will be getting a string concatenation. If any one operand is a string, then you will be getting a string concatenation. Let us develop another program. I'm printing I straight away. Also, I is equal to, you can also mention I colon, you can also mention I cos arrow mark, some kind of description. Please compile and run. Guys, in all these printings, left operand is a string. Left operand is a string in all this one. Whenever plus operator receiving left side as a string, left side as a string, right side anything. If left side is a string, string concatenation. If right side is a string, again string concatenation. If both are strings, again string concatenation. Concatenation is very simple, just joining both. No processing. No processing, only joining. Only joining. String concatenation, very important, heroes. You should not get a confusion. Come to the next one. I'm going for int age is equal to 22. You can provide any description. String concatenation is required. Come to the next one. Everybody, jet level. Int age is equal to 20. If you print age just straight away, may not be advisable. This way also can be done. Right operand, second operand, the right operand, second operand is a string. If any one operand is a string, then string concatenation. If any one operand is a string, it can be a right or it can be a left. If any one is a string, then you'll be getting a string concatenation. String concatenation is very simple, just joining. more and more description for the values. More and more description for the values. Come to the next one. Check for. This is more important. Please observe completely. Please observe everybody. This result we know. 1 comma. 1 comma. 1 is a left operand, comma is a right operand. That comma is there under double quotation. Comma is there under double quotation. You will be getting a string concatenation. String concatenation. So the result is 1 comma. That 1 comma is a string. Even though 1 is a number, the whole 1 comma cannot be a number. 1 comma cannot be a number, it is a string. I already said anything under double quotes is a string. Even number under double quotes is a string. So here the result will be under double quotation 1 comma. Concatenation always results a string. Concatenation, joining, concatenation, always results a string. Always results a string. The total 1 comma is a string. So here also 1 comma. This 1 comma is a string that is going as a left operand to second place operator. 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 Second place operator. Please observe, this whole will be resulting like this. The result of the first place operator, we are getting a 1 comma, a concatenation and a double quotes. That is going as a left operand to second place operator. Second place operator concatenating, giving a result as 1 comma 2. Giving a result as 1 comma 2. So continuous concatenations are very much required. Continuous concatenations very much required. How to print multiple variables in the same line by using comma as a separator? I want to print multiple variables with a comma as a separator. You have to go for concatenation. Not only in Java, in any programming language, concatenation is there. While printing multiple variables with a comma as a separator, with a and as a separator, semicolon as a separator, we have to go for concatenation. I can go for same line. This we know already. Please observe this properly. Each and every statement is very important here. Let me compile and run. I think 13th, right? So this is all about string concatenation, string concatenation. Let's move to the second one, next one. Programming elements. What are the programming elements? What are the programming elements? Programming elements. Programming elements. What are the programming elements? There are four different types of programming elements. While composing a program, we have to use these four programming elements. While composing any program, 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 we required some programming elements. Four programming elements are there. We need to use that programming elements. Without that programming elements, we cannot develop even simple hello world program also. For even a hello world program, hello world program, we required a programming elements. Even for the hello world program, we required programming elements. What are these programming elements? Let's see. First and foremost one, literals. Programming elements, literals. Literal is nothing but value. Literal is nothing but value. Already we have seen several values. Literal is nothing but a value. Int literals. Any number without a decimal, even negative number also, any number without a decimal. Double literals. Double literals are the number with a decimal, even, dot zero also, negative or positive, even 0.0. These are the double literals, double values. Boolean literals. True, comma, false. Only two are there. Boolean literals. Char literals. Single character under single quotation. Any special character also, even digit also under single quotation. These are the char literals. Int double boolean char. Similarly, string literals. Anything under double quotation. Even a number under double quotation. Even boolean under double quotation. It's a string only. Even some special characters and a double quotation. One character and a double quotation. Empty also. Empty also. No characters and a double quotation. It is also a string. These are the string literals. Anything? String literals. Come to the next one. Guys, second programming element. Keywords. So keyword is a predefined word. Keywords. Keyword. It's a predefined word. Predefined word. Predefined word. Predefined word. The word which is already defined in the programming language. The word which is already defined in the programming language. Any word which is already defined in the programming language. Any word which is already defined in the programming language is a keyword. Any word which is already predefined in the programming language. In the programming language, several words are predefined. Every word having some kind of meaning, some kind of definition, some purpose already assigned to a word. The type of words are called as a keywords. Several keywords are there. So for example purpose, I am mentioning few. Class is a keyword. Public is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Void is a keyword. Int is a keyword. Boolean, double, char. Several words are there. Every word already defined in the programming language. Every word already defined in the programming language. Any word which is already defined in the programming language is a keyword. So let us consider human language. Human language like English. Father, friend, brother, college. These are the predefined words. Every word having a some meaning. Same way in the programming also. There are some words which are already predefined. There are some words which are already predefined. There are some words which are already predefined. Which are already predefined. Those words are called as keywords. Keywords. Keyword is a word which is already predefined. Which is already predefined. Already available in the programming language. Class, some purpose, some meaning. Public, some meaning. Static, some meaning. Programming language developers, they already identified some words for different meaning purpose. Those words are called as keywords. In the human language, father, college, city, country, brother, mother, predefined words having some special meanings. Same way in the programming language also. In the programming language also. In the programming language also. In the programming language also, there are several predefined words. Predefined words. Those words are called as keywords. So one very important note here, all keywords are in the lowercase alphabets. All the keywords are in the lowercase alphabets. All the keywords are in the lowercase alphabet. Every keyword is with the lowercase alphabets. No uppercase at all in the keywords. Every keyword is in the lowercase alphabets. All the keywords are in the lowercase alphabets. Come to the third one. Identifiers. Identifier is nothing but a name. Identifier is nothing but a name. Public static void int boolean double char. Identifier is nothing but a name. Name. Identifier is nothing but a name. Name. Names are called as a identifiers. Names. Name. It can be a class name. It can be variable name like a I. Method name like a calculate. Any name. Names are called as a identifiers. Names are called as identifiers. Identifiers. Name to class, name to variable, name to method, name, name. Whatever names we are choosing, those names are called as identifiers. While choosing a name, there are some conditions to be followed. While choosing a name, there are some conditions to be followed. What are the conditions? While choosing a name, there are some rules to be followed. While choosing a name, there are some rules to be followed. While choosing a name, there are some rules to be followed. There are some rules to be followed. There are some rules to be followed. What are the rules? First one, starting letter in the identifier, starting letter in the identifier, it can be any alphabet or underscore or dollar. Starting letter, first letter, any alphabet, lower or upper, underscore or dollar. Lowercase or uppercase. First letter, lowercase or uppercase or underscore or dollar. Second char onwards. Second letter onwards. That is second letter onwards. Any digit from 0 to 9. Any digit from 0 to 9. Any digit from 0 to 9. Second letter onwards, any alphabet, underscore, dollar, even any digit also. Any digit also. The third one, everybody. Third one is very simple. No keyword can be chosen as a identifier. No keyword can be chosen as an identifier. No keyword can be chosen as a identifier. Straight away keyword cannot be chosen as an identifier. Let us see some valid keywords, valid identifiers. Valid identifiers. Hello is a valid. Underscore hello. Dollar hello. Even hello one. Digits are allowing in the second character onwards. A1. These are the valid identifiers. Anywhere you can provide an underscore, dollar. These are the valid identifiers. Valid. Let's go for invalid. Invalid identifiers. Hello space all. Space is not allowed in the identifier. Only two special characters are allowed in the identifier. Only two special characters are allowed in the identifier. Only two special characters, underscore and dollar. Space also is special character. You should not use the space in the identifier. Space should not be used in the identifier. One test. Digits should not be in the first place. Digits should not be in the first place. By hello. Invalid. Test percentage. Percentage is not allowed. Only underscore and dollar allowed. At the rate. Calculate. At the rate is not allowed in the identifier. And also, you cannot go for any keyword. This is invalid. Keywords cannot be chosen as an identifier. Keywords cannot be chosen as a identifier. Understood everybody? No keyword can be chosen as an identifier. So this is a third programming element. Literals, keywords, identifiers. The last one, fourth one, built-in. What is meant by built-in? If any feature, task, if any feature, task already available in the programming language. If any feature already available in the programming language. If any task already available in the programming language. If any feature, if any task available in the programming language. If any feature, if any task already available in the programming language. If any task is already available in the programming language. If any task is already available in the programming language. That is called as a built-in. 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 Predefined feature. Predefined feature. If already features are there in the programming language. Example, println. It's one of the feature which is already available in the programming language. Already we have seen println method. It's a built-in method. Print method. Built-in method. Predefined feature. Println, print, println, and print. Println, print, sqrt. I'll show you. In down the line, lot of predefined features we will be using. Lot of predefined features we will be using. Let us develop a simple program. I'll show you sqrt, square root, sqrt, square root. Square root. So try developing 14, everybody. Math dot square root of 16. Try compiling and running. Square root, compiling and running. Try compiling and running. Fourteen. Done everybody. Built-in features. The features which are already defined in the programming language. The features which we have already defined in the programming language. System.out.println. It is only for printing. Directly you can print. It's a built-in feature for printing. Print method. It is also one of the built-in feature. Using built-in feature. Println, print, sqrt. Likewise, lot more. Thousands together built-in features are there. Several built-in features available in the Java. So please practice all these things. We will continue in the next session. You can just check it out in our LMS. Getting started, completely done. Except Eclipse setup. You will be knowing more about Eclipse setup after 1.5 months. We will start using Eclipse after for Java basics. Under language basics, programming elements got over. Printing in command prompt, println and print got over. Local variables fully got over. Next topic is the unary operators. We'll see the unary operators in the next session. Let's have a test for this on tomorrow. So tomorrow first test, then only will be class. There will be first test. Keep preparing. Even late join is also. You can go through these videos. Each and everything you can able to understand. Only I can say like a setup and a hello world. So taken more time for small things. Same got recorded properly. It's available in the application. And even in this class also, almost everyday class is recorded. I'm sharing in the group. So today's class also, it's got recorded. By end of the day, you'll be getting this link also. Please go through fully. Tomorrow, come by 8:30. Write the test. maybe maximum 1 hour. Afterwards, we'll have a class. First, you need to write the test. Totally go through all these videos. Even though you attended, you have to go through. Please observe more and more confidence. It's something like a dare. You should not be giving up. You should not be like a coward. From now onwards, don't be like a coward. Nothing is impossible. Only seriousness. No matter whether you computer background student or non-computer, whether slow learner or an expert, average student or extraordinary student, only patience, each and every point. Write down in the paper, go through again and again. Everybody can learn. Only dedication. You have to learn for yourself. I'm seeing in the previous batches, the people who are very dull, their brothers and their fathers are telling, their parents are telling, sir, below average student found very difficult to finish off the graduation itself. Definitely you have to take care of him, especially then only there is a chance of like improving. Within 1 month or 2 months, they themselves becoming a toppers in the batch. Forget about how you are in the previous. Past is past. Even though you are very casual in your life till now, not attended college, bunked every day, smoking, girlfriends, whatever it may be, leave the past. From today onwards, every point, write in the paper 10 times. Try remembering forever. You should not think like, okay, I understood. You should think like, I understood. I can remember this point forever. I don't require to revive again. Why? Because software is an ocean. You should not look for reviving. If you keep on looking for reviving, after 2 months, you'll find a lot of content to revive. One time study. In the companies also, while attending trainings, most of the people not carrying even notebook. They will try writing permanently in the brain. One time study. Analyzing fully, remembering there and then. No question of revision again. You also should study like that. You should feel like I don't require to revive the content. I learned, I understood, I can able to remember forever, forever, forever. Then only move to another topic. Not casually. Total dedication. That is very much required. Otherwise, after 2 months, you'll be keep on thinking like, I need to revive complete 2 months content. To revive 2 months content, definitely you require minimum 10 days. That 10 days content, you are not a 10th class student. Graduates. Sincerely you are studying, then it will be one time study for entire life. The people who are studying like that, they will be having a lot of confidence. Whenever I start a new topic, you'll not be fearing. Whenever interviewer is calling, can you come and attend the interview today? You'll not be asking like, I wanted 2 days. Some people will be telling stories like, I'm not feeling well today. After 2 days only possible. Some people are telling like, I'm in the hometown. Can you please conduct after 1 week? Interviewers will be easily can understand whether you are telling genuinely or bluffing. Revision should not be in our life. Remember this point. Learn everything forever. One-time learning. Write in the notebook. Go through again and again, again and again. Maybe summary you can write down in another notebook. That summary you can go through weekly once, 3-4 times. Then leave that also. That type of people only becoming a best people in the software. You should not look for excuses. You should not look for blaming something. Because of this, I'm not able to get more marks. Nothing is barricade. I'm providing a detailed explanation in every point. Videos are there. I'll send the programmatic materials today. Theory materials also today. All PDFs are there. Go through that also. Go through videos. Mainly, you should have a confidence. Remembering forever, able to explain. That is also important. Even though you are from Hindi medium, Kannada medium, Telugu medium, you should know how to explain subject. Only sentence for the subject, not the sentence for explaining KGF movie. We don't require to explain Triple R movie or Bahubali movie. We wanted to explain technical things. Technical sentences are very simple. Explaining some history is very difficult. Interviewers are not asking about your love story, about any movie. They're asking subject. If you go through these videos properly, every sentence you're trying to remember, trying to reproduce, it is sufficient. That is the reason I'm making a condition like everybody should stay back here. If you go through videos 2-3 times, not only subject concreteness, you will also get how you can compose the sentences to explain the topic, to present the topic, to present the interviewer question. What are the words required? What are the sentences required? Write down in the book. Total dedication. That type of preparation is required. Got it? That's all for now. Enjoy, Karo. All the best.